Hello everyone, this is Jimmy again, coming back for another product video. Today we're going to be talking about a wireless Wi-Fi backup camera with a built-in magnet and battery. If you're a customer looking for a mobile backup camera, you want a camera that you can move from location to location. Maybe you have an RV and you want to move it to the back of the RV, to the pickup truck to look at the hitch, or maybe you got a truck trailer and you want to move it because you pick up different trailers. No matter the case, if you are looking for a portable mobile camera that has less than a 1-minute install, this product is going to be the perfect product for you. We're at the product page here. You see the Wi-Fi heavy-duty wireless backup camera. This is the overview of the product, the picture here. I'm going to kind of cover some of the features and benefits today. I'm actually going to show you a product, show you how it works on an app on your phone, and show you how to order it on this webpage. So thanks for watching. So again, wireless backup camera. So this camera has no wires, completely wireless. It has a built-in battery and a built-in magnet. That battery is going to last about 5 to 6 hours between charges. And the magnet will allow you to attach it to any metal. It's a very strong magnet, so you could use it while you're driving down the road without any issues. It's going to be able to hold up and stand up to that. This camera does not come with an LCD, a display. You actually are going to use your phone or tablet as an LCD. You're going to download an app from the App Store called MHCam. That's Mary, Harry, Cam, MHCam, and you will open up an app on your phone, and that's going to be the display for the system. So literally, you charge this camera up, you press the on button, and you are up and running. It's that simple. That's all you have to do. So let's kind of go through it. This product starts at $197.97. That includes the battery and the magnet that is built in. So you have everything here that is available for you. This system offers a 75-foot wireless range. So as long as your phone or tablet is within about 75 feet from the camera, you're going to be able to connect wirelessly. This product is easy to install, less than a minute. You just charge it, turn it on, and you're off and running. It's a heavy-duty waterproof camera. So this camera is waterproof, weatherproof. It's heavy-duty, durable. So if it gets banged or dinged minorly, it's going to hold up to that type of environment. It has a battery that's included, built in. It gives you about 6 hours or so of power. You're going to be able to see what's behind you or wherever you install it. You could have a box trailer and you put it inside the box trailer, and you're going to be able to see what's going on in there. It does have infrared lights. You see here 4 infrared lights that you see pictured here. I'm going to kind of show it to you here. This is the actual camera. So it has 5 infrared lights that will illuminate in a dark situation. So you won't get bright video if it's pitch black, but you'll be able to make out something from these IR lights, about 25 feet or so from the IR lights. This camera, this is the magnet. You can slap it against something here, upside down, right side up. This is the wireless antenna that you see pictured here. I have the charger plugged in, but you don't need that charger plugged in. I just have it plugged in for this demo. And this right here, you can loosen up this and you can change the angle of the camera very easily. And then once you get it locked in, you just tighten the nut right over here. Real simple. I actually have this connected. So this camera creates a Wi-Fi network. It doesn't connect to an internet source. So don't confuse the Wi-Fi to internet Wi-Fi. This creates a Wi-Fi network, and then you grab your phone or tablet and you'll search for Wi-Fi networks just like you would if you're looking for anything. So here's my phone here, and I got the Wi-Fi network, and I connected to the Sonics, which is the Wi-Fi. It's going to be backwards, of course, but that's the Wi-Fi signal that the camera is creating. And I connect that to the Wi-Fi, and then I open up the free app, which is the MH app, and now you're going to see the image Let me see if I can get it a little bit. There we go. Now you're going to see I'm going to kind of move it around, and you can kind of see, if you want to look at me, you're going to see me on the image. There I am. If you turn the camera, you can get it in full screen. It does have grid lines that you can remove. You just press this button here, and the grid lines will come off. There it comes in. And the grid lines, if I connect that, I'm trying to do something backwards here. So let me get it back here. There we go. And the grid lines can come off with the press of a button. As you see, the grid lines are gone. You can also rotate and flip the camera. If you got this right side, facing backwards or forwards, you can change the orientation. So super simple, super easy. Just turn the button on. It's got a little power button on the side. Turn the camera on. It creates a Wi-Fi network, and you connect with the magnet. You just need any metal, slap it on some metal, change the angle, and you're good to go using your phone or iPad or tablet. Anything with an app store that you can download the MHCam app. To order it, you got $197. You got a couple options. Comes with a 1-year warranty. That's included, you see here, at no extra cost. You could add a 2-year or 3-year replacement warranty. This warranty covers anything and everything. You can literally run it over with a lawnmower and get a brand new unit for 2 or 3 years. It covers any type of customer abuse or manufacturer defect. So if you think the warranty is worthwhile, you can add that. And then we have some 4x6 security magnets that says smile, you're being recorded. If you wanted to slap a magnet on the side of your truck or trailer, you can grab those magnets. Once you get the product, you just click add to cart. You will see at the top of the website right now, we have a St. Patrick's Day sale. It's 11% off. We almost always have a sale, so you can always scroll to the top of the website, see what sale we have going on. Right now, it's 11% off and free shipping. And this is the promo code that you'll get to use, PAT11. Again, when you come here in the future, it's probably going to be a different promo code. But once you add this to your cart, you'll get to a screen where you can add in a promo code, and that's where you add in the PAT11 or whatever code is going on at that particular time. As always, if you got any questions, need volume, discounts, if you want to maybe purchase wholesale or just talk about it more, you can call us at this number at the top of the website. We're always here available. And if you're looking for a different type of camera, you can always hover over backup cams. We got all types of other wireless cams. We got all types of other wired cams. We got heavy-duty commercial cams. We got waterproof cams, so just check that out. Thanks for watching today. Hopefully this was informative, and hopefully we can earn your business.